Hi, I'm Kathleen Horn,
I'm Tamara Teeter-Knapp.
Victoria Dominichello Anderson.
and we're from Expressive Arts Florida Institute, and today we're going to explore one of our guiding principles. And that one is, our focus is on the health-giving nature of expressive arts. So we thought we would take that guiding principle into an expressive arts process and see what happens.
Yeah. So we'll each individually create art all together, and then we'll talk about it a little bit and share with you.
Great, thank you.
Hold up our images. You share your words.
I can, yes. I am your inner wisdom. I have been living within you for many, many years. I am appearing to you now because I know it is safe. I know that you won't reject me or be afraid of me. You have risen to a new level in your life. I am a light to help guide you.
Thank you. I am the place within you that is pure, radiant health. When nurtured, trusted, encouraged, and supported, I spread throughout the whole of your life, remembering my rightful place.
Thank you.
You see?
Want me to hold it out?
I am a nourishing fruit with succulent juices and complex structured membranes. I am light infused and water filled. I am luscious and yummy. I have intricate unfolding patterns of growth that feed you.
Well, welcome to these images.
Yes, wow.
Yeah. And our writings, as very often happens, are written in the voice of the image. So when we're speaking from the I am, we're imagining that our image is speaking. And these images had some powerful things to say
Yes,
today.
yes.
And I find myself that when it's time for me to do the writing, for my image to do the writing, I kind of just put my thinking brain aside and just allow it to come from within and really trust it, because it's not something I don't believe I would write if you just had asked me to write something and I hadn't done the image. It's very, very different. That's where the power really is, and the healing is allowing things to flow out of you, and create health and help you be healthy.
And trusting that using more than one modality will help that
Right,
to happen.
right.
So the image alone has a message, but it doesn't become as clearly articulated often until we explore it in writing, and of course we could explore any of these images in movement, or get out our drum, or voice, any of the other modalities as well. I think that, going back to our guiding principle of the health-giving nature of this work, my image really helps me see that and feel that experience of how in expressive arts, even though sometimes we bring expressive arts to situations that are filled with pain or trauma, or very challenging situations, where our focus really is still on like reaching that place of health and wellness inside, reaching into our strengths, our inner wisdom, as came up in your image, Victoria, and those places inside that we can really remember and trust, and finding that as a resource in ourselves, not to ignore the challenges or the trauma, but to bring that in as a light and a guiding force and a healing energy into our work. And one of the things that is so positive and so lovely about this, this work.
Engaging with it feels so nourishing, and I've like you said, didn't really know what my image wanted to say, or really what was going on with my image until I did the writing. And then I just felt like, yes, like expressive arts for me is so nourishing. It's like this yummy, luscious fruit, that nourishes me on many different levels, not just physically as a fruit would, but also my soul and my mind and and my body. So all of these aspects of me, body, mind, spirit kind of thing. So nourishing and light infused, that phrase came, and just, I don't know, now I know that there are also more things that this can continue to give me. So it's like it's just continuing to expand, and I love that.
There was something that I noticed a few moments ago, is that as I was writing, and then as I was sharing my image and reading my writing, I actually felt like my image was witnessing me, or that we were co-witnessing each other, which is amazing because it's so validating. It gives you so much insight and awareness that it's just beautiful. Yeah, really powerful.